Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a beautiful 1951 Ford pickup truck, and she's got Ford power up front. It's a 351 Windsor. Beautiful restoration on this baby, and I can't wait to show it to you. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see about 100 pictures of the car. We're going to take a look at the bottom side, the interior, in the bed. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Ford investment. So come on up and we're going to fire this 351 up. All right, let's look at this beautiful truck. Man, that paint work is gorgeous. Now, the hood on this thing is original and steel. We've got what looks like an original emblem here from 1951, and it's in beautiful shape from being from 1951, but she's showing just a little bit of age. Headlight bezels look great. Front bumper looks good. They've painted these grill sections here and the teeth, and they are slick as can be. The painter on this truck was phenomenal. Now the front fenders and these extensions are fiberglass. This chrome looks brand new. The spear looks good. All this looks like it's original and in beautiful shape. And look at the shine on that door. It is beautiful. Pop the door open there. She opens nice. The door jamb looks good on both sides. We'll take a closer look at the interior in a minute. Bed sides are straight as an arrow. Now the running boards are steel, rear fenders are steel. Of course, the bed is also steel and it is straight as an arrow. Check this out. Look at the finish on that wood. Look at the reflection there. It looks like the bed just keeps going. Million miles. The trim on the back window looks good. You can see they added some rubber bumpers here and some felt to keep from scratching up the paint on this original hardware for the gate. And that gate is straight as can be. The Ford embossment looks good. Rear bumper looks new. The dual exhaust coming out the back looks great. Stainless tail lights. Again, rear fenders are steel on it. They've left the fuel tank alone, so it fills right here, nice and easy. Beautiful looking door jambs here. Great job on the restoration. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we've spent the time to check it out and then we bought it. We own about 205 cars here at Vanguard, and we're bringing in about 40 new ones every month. As a matter of fact, we are the largest dealership in the United States that owns all of their vehicles. Now let's check out the interior. Look at that door panel. Man, the upholstery guy on this car did a beautiful job. The handles are brand new. They're all polished up. Look at that dash. All aftermarket gauges, beautiful. And look at that steering column. Man, it's all polished up, that custom steering wheel. She's a tilt column. And look at the paint work on the dash, phenomenal. And look at the upholstery on the seat. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Those seat belts there. Look at all the upholstery up there on the headliner and around the back window. Heck, even the sun visors match. Looks like all the rubber around the front window looks good. The paintwork on the dash is beautiful. This is one hot little 51. All right, let's go for a ride in this beautiful Ford truck with this Ford power. Man, she is sweet. She sounds good. The paint work looks good on the hood. Check that out. It's beautiful. Get around this corner here. Horn's working. Check out the dash here. All these custom gauges are working. We got the speedo working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. It's coming on here. See if we get any music. Well, There's the music. Well, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. We can ship this truck anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. You can see she's stopping nice and straight. It's got this custom steering column in it. It's nice and bright. And she's got an awesome exhaust system. Listen to that. She sounds great. It's got a little bit of a rumble, but it's not too loud. Now, Tommy can ship this truck anywhere in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513. He would love to tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And he'd also like to tell you just everything you need to know about this beautiful truck. She's going down the road nice and straight, nice and comfortable to drive. Just beautiful setup here. Now, the vent windows are not closing completely tight here. I believe that is 1951 technology right there, guys. The moldings here on the dash, they're showing just a tiny bit of age. Again, 1951 here. The paintwork is beautiful. Now, here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. And don't forget, you can fly in and check out this truck, and we'll pick you up at the airport. Also, if you want to send out an inspector, we'd love to show them the truck. So stick around, because we're going to put the truck up in the air so you can check out the underside. Then we're going to pop the hood and check out the power. All right, we're underneath this 51 Ford truck. As you can see, she's nice and clean under here. They actually stained the bottom side of the wood also. They've got nylocks on the bolts, big old fender washers. The inside of the wheel wells are nice and clean, all new hardware there too, and these are steel fenders. The 8-inch Ford rear end's got right around a 323 gear, and it is an open rear end. Looks like it's got new shocks on it. The brakes, the guys will take those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. It's got Flowmaster mufflers on her. The running boards are steel. The floorboard to the truck looks great. We've got a C6 trans up here. That's a 3-speed automatic, guys. Power brakes. Everything's nice and clean. It's got a Mustang II style front suspension with coilovers holding it up, drilled and slotted rotors with disc brakes up front. Of course, the ball joints are new too, because that it's aftermarket front suspension there. The whole cross member and everything looks like it's all aftermarket. It's got a power rack on it. That's rack and pinion steering, guys. Nice and clean under here. Very, very nice build on this 51 Ford truck. Now let's look at wheels and tires. Up front, we got great looking Keystone Classics. I tell you what, when I was a kid, I always wanted a set of these. These are so cool. We've got BF Goodrich's up front. We got 235/70 15s. And look at those inner wheelhouses up there. Now those front fenders are fiberglass. They're nicely coated on the inside. You can see all the new hardware, all the paint work on that inner firewall there. Man, it's sharp. Let's check the rear. Out back, same good looking Keystone Classics, and it looks like 235/70 15s up here too. And we get another good look inside that wheel well. Look at how nice and pretty it is in there. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 351 Windsor, real nice and clean. And I know everybody's saying, hey, that's an HEI distributor. That's not a Ford distributor. Well, believe it or not, somebody made an HEI distributor for a Ford. It is kind of cool. So it is electronic ignition, and that coil's built right into the cap, so it's nice and neat. She's got an Edelbrock carb sitting on top. It's a 76 model 351. Beautiful polished aluminum covers, wireways. The battery's mounted right in there, nice, so you can get at it real nice and easy. Firewall's nice and clean. The body tag is right there on the firewall also. Looks like a low-car dipstick for the trans. Power steering. All the belts look good. The alternator's chromed up. This aluminum radiator's got a nice electric fan on it, and that aluminum radiator's nicely polished. It's a gorgeous truck, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.